Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris. This is Pnwrcmadness, and I got another video for you guys today, and it's an unboxing of a bunch of Treal parts for your Sledge, your XMAXX, your LMT, your Sledge, your XMAXX, and your LMT. Basically, guys, I got parts for your Sledge, fully upgraded Sledge. I got parts for your XMAXX. Fully, man, this thing is, stay tuned, guys, we're gonna hit 100 parts for your XMAXX. Check this one out, guys. Oh yeah, so mainly this is my favorite truck right here. It's the LOSI LMT. This truck is 100% Treal, guys. Anyways, guys, did I say guys enough? Let's go ahead and open up this box, and I got something special for all you Sledge guys and gals. You can find all this stuff on my website. It's www.pnwrcmadness.com. Always free shipping, super fast. If you buy from me, I ship the same day. I don't monkey around. Just yeah, let's check it out. So check it out, guys. We're gonna go ahead and open up this box really fast. I'm gonna try not to make this a super long, boring video. But first part out of the box is going to be the Treal 7075 front steering block, knuckles left and right. This is for your 1/8 Sledge in black. So these are your knuckles. They look like they come with bearings. Usually Treal provides a bigger bearing, so there we go. So we got green. Again, you're gonna get your color, your sticker sheet, you're gonna get your bigger bearings, and you're gonna get the hardware that comes with the knuckles. Got the blue knuckles, Treal aluminum 7075 front C-hub carrier caster blocks, left and right for your Traxxas Sledge in blue. These are all brand new parts that just came out from Treal Hobby. Guys, they are the best parts you can find by far. If you get these parts from me and you end up breaking or bending something, just find me on Facebook, find me on YouTube, and basically that's it. You can find me on Facebook, hit me up, and I will get you taken care of the best I can. Usually Treal is really awesome with providing warranty service for their parts, and usually you're not getting stuff that's broken. So. All right, we got green, more green knuckles. Okay, here we go. So here is the Treal aluminum 7075 rear hub carriers left and right for your Traxxas Sledge. Guys, I got these parts all on my truck. You can see it right there. Haven't even driven it yet. I'm super stoked, super pumped. I got videos on how to install the stuff and what I use. All right, so we got the green, we got the blue. More green front hub carriers. We got the black, so we got green, blue, black. I'm not seeing any red yet. More rear. So we're pretty much fully stocked besides the links. I didn't get any links. Sorry about that, guys. Let's keep going. Oh yeah, so we got the diff. We got green. These are awesome. I'm putting one in my truck pronto because I can show it off on top of the chassis. So it looks like it comes with a shim. And looks to be like a 12-14 millimeter 3M by 14 millimeter, so you get hardware. All right, so we got more blue. There we go. So there's a good pick, guys. Your rear hub carriers left and right are going to come with the bigger bearings, so that's always a huge plus. Okay, so there we go. We got the black. So we got black and green. I'm not seeing any red, guys. Where's the red? More black and green, blue, so we got blue, green, black, black. I'm not getting red. What is going on? Black and green, black and blue. Oh yeah. All right, guys, check it out. All right, so this is super awesome.